Agile for me is all about adapting, come what may. Coaching is all about getting the best out of people. As a people success officer, I work with people and I help them succeed, and that is what I do at Leanpitch. All the organizational processes and policies are designed to help people to deliver better results. At the end of the day, people need to be agile in order for them to develop themselves and deliver results. Some of the key challenges in the organization is helping people adapting to change, making them self-organized, bringing people together to solve problems are some of them. We at Leanpitch work from home all the year around, and all the organizational policies and processes that we have created helped our people to deliver results. Our culture developed incrementally over the years, and we've been tweaking it continuously to help our people. As a people success officer, I work with people on a day-to-day basis, be it our employees, customers, partners, and others. I share all 20 plus years of my experience in building processes, practices, and policies that helps organizations to build better teams and deliver better results. Come join me if you would like to understand basic human behavior, how to help people adapt to change, how to build great self-organizing teams that would help transform organizations.